Hello everyone, and thank you so much for choosing Tailored Tutor Language Services. This is just a short video just showing you how to book your session for your Spanish or English or translation services. Of course, first you're going to go to www.tailoredtutorlangs.com, and then you're going to scroll down all the way down to where you'll see a circle that says book now. You will choose your selection, whether it's translations, group sessions, or packages. For the sake of the video, I'm going to choose 15-minute meeting. Once you choose your selection, wait a moment, and it's going to alert you as to the time zone you're in, and that all of the sessions are given in the Eastern time zone, because that's where I am. You're going to click continue. Then you're going to choose your date, and you can choose a date all the way up to 3 months in advance. Once you choose your date, you would then scroll down to choose your time. Once you choose your time, is going to verify that's the time that you chose as well as the date. You would click continue. And what would then come up is a little form for you to fill out with your name, your email, your phone number, and you would then click done. You're going to receive a notification email to the email that you put on the form notifying you of your appointment that you booked. Also within this, once you book, you would also pay, and that is connected to PayPal. And that is it. Thanks again for choosing Tailored Tutor Language Services. I hope to see you booking your Spanish, English, or translation services soon. Adios.